Hello, how y'all doing? I just got a question from Trey about using a spring inside of a model or creating a spring inside of a model. He's trying to use the coil tool. And so I'm going to just show you how to create a really simple rectangular prism with a coil attached to it to model as a spring. This is in the full version of Fusion. So you might not see some of the stuff in Tinkercad, but you can do similar things. Have a great day and enjoy the clip. The coil is available in the full version, and you can do similar things, I believe, even in Tinkercad. So this is how I would join the two. So I'm going to just create a box, very basic, just like that, and I'm just going to make this size. So this could be a piece of wood that it's getting attached to. And then I'm going to use the coil tool, which is right there. The first click is going to be the surface that I am going to apply it to. So say I wanted a spring that is attached to this piece of wood. And notice how I get the cursor that drags on the surface. I'm going to click and then I can drag it to whatever that dimension will be and simply drag up, and I can notice how I can change some of the parameters of the coil, like I can change the diameter or the thickness of it to make it fit right. And I can also change some things here. Notice that it doesn't want to join it right away, so it says cut. So I'm going to change that to join, and then I'm going to click OK. And there I go. I have a coil that looks like a spring that is attached to my piece of wood, and now those are one single body or unified together. Good luck with the fabrication and the CAD creation. Any questions, just submit them to the prototyping channel in Slack. Have a great day.